That's still good.
Yeah. This is a creek.
Yep, Razorhome Creek.
Is this what we have to take to get back to the parking lot?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Basically, we don't have to ride any other chair.
Nice.
Let me take this one.
I will say the snow we got last week really helped.
Oh, yeah. And also the cold weather.
That too. It's just supposed to be like a high of 38, low of like 32
Mm-hmm.
for a little while.
Oof.
Well, it could also be colder too. I don't really trust the weather app
Yeah.
on my phone.
Yeah. Yeah, the snow in the trees has stayed really good.
Yeah. Winter wonderland.
Yeah.
Especially with an El Nino. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
A strong El Nino, albeit.
Yep.
I'm surprised there's not a lot of like mogully runs.
Yeah. And
I mean, there's been like some kind of smaller ones, but
yeah. Yeah, I think all the constant snow and
just kind of covered everything up.
yeah, and also the lower crowds on the weekdays.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it gets like moguled out as quickly as other places.
That's like Snoqualmie. It's just.
Yeah, no, that place gets moguled out so fast.
Mm-hmm.
The Alpine run off Central Express, even though it's rated as a blue run, that's like closer to a black run.
Yeah.
It's like steep and always mogully, especially in the low cover. It was pretty difficult.
Yeah, I think they were having a hard time getting the groomers out.
Yeah. Yeah, we took one of my friends that I was teaching to ski. We took him down that run, and took a long time.
Yeah. How many times do you think you're gonna come up this season?
Let's see. I think last time I got up 4 or 5 times at most. Might be about the same, maybe less.
If class is canceled, it's like I'm definitely going
Yeah.
Wednesday, and if the conditions are amazing, I might have to go next weekend, but I don't know. It's like if I had a season pass, I would be up here like 3 times a week, 4 times a week at least.
Yeah.
But it is what it is.
Yeah.
There's some moguls.
Alright.
Yeah, Raven.
Yeah.
What was that noise, dude?
Yeah. Raven noises.
I never heard him like that high pitch.
Yeah.
I always hear it kind of low, like the little croak.
Yeah. Do you know ravens can talk?
Yeah, isn't there like a guy on YouTube who has one?
Yeah, there's a bunch of videos like I've seen. This one video called Raven Mania. This raven's like saying, "Hey," and then it's like, "Come here, come on, that's a good boy." And that's like he says all those things.
There was a this guy on. This is like a Reddit thread. So this guy was like, "Yeah, I have 2 lovebirds, and they're bonded." But he's like, whenever they're bonking, they like one says, cute bird," over and over.
Dang, that's wild. Imagine being in the woods and then all of a sudden from the tree someone says, "Hey, come here. Come on. That's a good boy."
A serial killer. And
Yeah.
He's really just like a random raven. Just chilling.
Yeah. You can't figure out what's making the noise, but it keeps talking.
Hey,
Hey,
come here.
come here.
Is there anywhere in particular?